Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the taillight on your 2013 Hyundai Elantra GT. This is the first time that I've done this. I'm going to show you how it goes. The first step is to remove these two screws using a 10mm socket or a Phillips screwdriver. From there, you can remove the taillight. After removing the screws, you can pull the taillight out using a straight pull. There's two clips. After some wiggling, the taillight comes right out. There's two pins that hold the taillight in. The first one up here, and a smaller pin right back here. Now flip the taillight over and remove the burnt out bulb. Give the bulb a turn counterclockwise and it should pop right out. Take your replacement bulb and put it black in the fitting. When reinstalling the taillight, make sure you give it a firm push until you hear the pins pop back into place. When you reinstall your bolts, make sure you don't over tighten them because the holes are plastic. And there you go, that's how you replace the taillights on your 2013 Hyundai Elantra. You can use an ice scraper to check the taillight if you're doing it yourself.